Hey everyone, I'm going to tell you the importance of securing your code and securing the network independently. We train or we empower your company developers and operation people for this. You can secure code in any of the languages Python, Node, Go, .NET, Java on AWS, GCP and Azure. So let me give a small example why you need to do this and take our training so that you can get empowered and save yourself from the threats, and we can live in a better and secure world, so today and in upcoming future. So saying that, this is our intent, and I'm going to show you a small example of a vulnerable software, what an attacker can do with it. So this is an mp3 studio. Well, so what an mp3 studio can do, it plays the songs, as you all know, right? So I'll open a file. So this particular software, which was thought secure while building, so it takes input through mpf file. Well, I'll feed this mpf file. Before that, I'll just place a breakpoint here. And this particular player is attached with the debugger. Debugger is nothing but step-by-step execution of any software. So I just press the breakpoint, and okay, I'll open this. Well, so I passed the exception. Awesome, we hit the breakpoint. See this 1001 b3 a6. So what it is, it's pop-up return. So you all know pop is nothing but removing content from the one step and giving the control back. Pushing is nothing but putting the content in the stack. So let me go and execute step by step. Well, so this is you all understanding, this is an attacker controlled software. So how to control this is a part of our training. So okay, let me do some small exercise. I want to jump to my next supplied data. So it is address is 19FA BC. So I'll just immediately assemble an instruction. Well, 0019 FA BC. So this is the address. Well, assembled. So if I execute this instruction, control will come here. Okay, let me write my own engineered code and to perform an intended action. No, I am not intended any malicious here. I wanted to pop up the calculator through this application flow. Well, so let's start writing from here, since control jumps here once I execute it. Okay, let's XOR the accumulator or make it 0. Okay, well, and push the same so that you will be having an empty stack. Well, hexadecimal form of .exe in little endian I am pushing into stack, which you all know why I am doing it. Well, I am saving that particular pointer into ESI so that I can use that reference in later. So pushing hexadecimal form of CALC in Little Indian form to stack and saving the pointer. Well, so again let's make stack 0. Push the first pointer which you have saved. Push the second pointer which you have saved. And let's copy winx function address to the EAX. So EAX was 0. Now I am copying the address. Well, since the calculator is already open, I am closing it. Well, now I have to call the EAX since I have stored the function pointer in the EAX. Well, my code is ready from XORing EAX accumulator to calling EAX. So this is my code, and let me execute and try what will happen. Well, calculator popped up. So we executed intended attacker's code through a vulnerable application. Well, how to find such vulnerability, how to take control of your application, how to write your own shell code to perform a safe action to pitch vulnerability and fixing it though. So this is part of our training. So let me brief what we are going to train. Well, first one is what I demonstrated now is fuzzing with bypassing operating system controls. Second, so learning to integrate tools in your pipeline to perform below both CI and CD. So analyzing your own code in any language, it doesn't matter, and analyzing dependencies which you have installed in IDE. In case of from IDE to GitHub, anywhere if you have leaked any secrets, even including your corporate chat, we know how to find the secret and remove them, and that we are going to teach. That's the best part of it. So next is when it comes to platform, how much your secure code write. If it is vulnerable platform, then there is no point. So how to analyze a Docker file on static node, and in case if you spin up a Docker, what it does, and how to analyze the vulnerabilities in a runtime. In case if it is already compromised, how to identify that compromised platform and how it is compromised, analyzing its drift detection. So this is security engineering course, and along with securing your AWS, Azure and GCP controls, so that you can have secure dev and secure ops, totally DevSecOps course in any of the programming language, Python, Go, Java, Node, .NET and any independent code. So saying that, thank you so much for listening my introduction. See you in the course.